Let's make over these little fabric bags I recently found at Dollar Tree with some of the items in your January mystery project box. You're going to want to grab your Caesar Easy Weed HTV in both pink and white, and you can also use red, but it's not in the box, so it's optional for this project. From your files, you're going to want Valentine Gang, XOXO, and Love is in the Air. We're going to start by cutting out XOXO in white, Valentine Gang in pink, and then also a mix of red and pink for the Love is in the Air. I cut all of these 3 inches wide so they would fit perfectly on these hearts, but if you're using different bags, make sure you measure before you cut them, and we're going to weed them all out. And then to put it on your bags, you're going to need a heat source, so I'm using my Cricut Easy Press Mini, but you can also use an iron. I'm using it on the medium setting for about 10 to 15 seconds. Then once it's set, you're going to peel back your carrier sheet and reveal some super adorable customized bags. These would be great for Valentine's parties or just to give to a friend to let them know that you're thinking about them. Super quick and easy and affordable because it's a Dollar Tree product. If you recreate this project, be sure to share your photos on social media and tag Expressions Vinyl as well as Whiskey and Whit so we can see what you guys are up to and how you're using your January mystery box. Happy crafting!